Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Friday, March 15th, 2019. It's going to be a busy weekend for us this weekend. We meet the fur truck this Sunday, Sunday afternoon, so tomorrow and Sunday morning we'll be busy prepping our furs, getting them bagged up, getting the bags tagged, of course everything filled out. Then tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, we'll be going up and replacing mineral on a couple mineral sites we established last year on a piece of property. We no longer use the big trophy rock blocks. We use the bag granules, trophy rock 465D. It's just a lot easier, and we can make 2-3 mineral sites out of one bag instead of just having to carry the big blocks for each site. Just a lot easier, and the deer love it just as much as they do the actual block. Hopefully, if signal's good, we'll do a live stream up there while we're doing it and let you see what we're talking about and where we're placing them. If you're new here, please press that subscribe button. And for all of those that have subscribed to our channel, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Now let's get to the winner of the Rut Kit Box. If I can get the paper unfolded. Hook'em Dano. I don't know if you can see that, but Hook'em Dano is the winner. Hook'em Dano, congratulations. All I need you to do is go over to our Coffee Outdoors Facebook page and send me a message with your shipping address, and I will get this Rut Kit Box shipped out to you. Thank you to everybody that commented, done in the comments of the video that entered. I sure appreciate it. I appreciate the views on the video. With that being said, thank you for watching and congrats. We will see you all next time.